A helicopter lost control immediately after taking off and crashed in Campina Grande in Paraiba on the morning of this Saturday, the 18th of April. On board were 3 adults and a child who suffered no serious injuries. According to the local fire brigade, the helicopter was making a stop to refuel after taking off from the capital, João Pessoa. When it came back up, the engine lost power and an emergency landing was needed. The victims were able to exit the plane on their own, despite it being knocked over from its side in a bush area and with pieces of the structure being removed. The victims were treated by firefighters and SAMU at the scene, and 3 of them were taken to the Campina Grande Trauma Hospital. The incident should now be investigated by the Air Force,